Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and crispy taco filled with shrimp and requeson cheese that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These amazing and delicious crispy tacos with shrimp and requeson cheese. These are the ingredients. I have Himalaya salt, black pepper, garlic clove, sweet peppers, 1 small onion, tortillas, shrimp, and of course, our requeson cheese. This is everything we need, so let's get started. First things first. First, I'm going to make my roasted tomatillo salsa. Very few ingredients, and let's get started. We are going to roast our tomatillos, our 2 garlic cloves, our chile de árbol. You decide how many chile de árbol you want to add. I love spicy food. Half an onion, and we are going to get it nice and roasted. When you make a roasted salsa, let me tell you, it comes out delicious. The flavors of the tomatillo really wake up, and especially of the chile de árbol. You know that the garlic cloves, they roast very easily. Be careful so they don't burn, okay? Like I said, add just enough chile de árbol to get it nice and spicy. You decide how many you want to add. When your tomatillos are roasted from one side, flip them over. When they start turning a little bit yellow, that means that they are nice and ready. Let's remove them and let's start making our amazing roasted tomatillo salsa. Of course, on my channel you have many type of salsas. Just put Gloria, Cooking with Gloria, salsas or spicy salsas, and you will have so many delicious and amazing salsas to enjoy for this summer year round. If you love spicy food like I do, you are going to love the roasted tomatillo salsa. I'm adding black pepper, salt, and a little bit of chicken bouillon. You decide how much you want to add. Remember, don't forget to add a little bit of cilantro. This is going to bring up all those amazing flavors. Look how chunky and how delicious this looks. Once your salsa is ready, then you are ready to start making your filling for your crispy tacos. Yes, for your crispy, delicious requeson queso and shrimp tacos. I have my sweet peppers here. I'm going to remove the seeds. Most of the sweet peppers come without seeds, but just be careful, and if there's 1 or 2, just remove them. I'm going to continue cleaning all the sweet peppers, getting them, open them, and then I'm going to slice them and cubing them in very small little pieces. The same thing I'm going to do with my 2 garlic cloves and my onion. Of course, I have the deveined and cleaned shrimp. And what am I going to do? I am going to dice it in small little pieces. I want to incorporate the shrimp and all the veggies together so they cook at the same time. You know that the shrimp really cooks very easily. It doesn't take too long. Less than 5 minutes and your shrimp is done. Well, here I am going to stay, of course, cutting and cubing all my shrimp. You decide how much you want to use. I'm using 1 pound of shrimp, 1 pound of requeson queso, and now I'm using 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. To this, I'm going to add the shrimp, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and salt to taste. You don't need too many ingredients, okay? Remember, salt is to taste. Once you add it in here, add all your veggies, incorporate them really good. Remember, don't overcook your shrimp. 3 minutes and this is done. Once you see your shrimp changing color to a very light pink, then it is done. It doesn't take too long for your shrimp to cook. Of course, the shrimp is going to get all those amazing flavors, absorb the sweet pepper flavor and the garlic. Okay, I'm going to transfer it to another plate. And here is where the magic begins. Now I am going to add the requesón cheese. I'm going to pull it apart. And then I'm going to really incorporate it really good. Rubbing it so everything is covered with the requesón cheese. This is done. I have my tortillas in a bag. I'm going to take them to the microwave for about 30 seconds. Once they come out, they're nice and hot. Be careful so you don't get burned. And now be very generous with your filling. Look at this. One by one. Of course, how many tacos can you get out of this recipe? It all depends how big and how much you add to your filling. I got about 20 tacos out of this mixture. And believe me, the filling was very generous. Well, here I am going to continue until I am done with all these, filling all these tortillas. On the stove, I have a pan getting nice and hot, the oil really nice and hot, because you want to add your tacos to very hot oil. Remember, you're only going to flip your tacos once so that the filling doesn't come out and doesn't ruin all your vegetable oil. So I'm going to add them in here. Remember that your vegetable oil needs to be nice and hot. 2 minutes or 3 minutes and then ready to flip. Once you flip it, don't flip it anymore. Just once. I have a rack on the side of the stove so I can start putting my crispy tacos there so they can stay getting and release all the excessive oil. Look at this. These crispy tacos with the requesón cheese and the shrimp mixture inside. Oh my gosh, just amazing. Once you make them, you are really going to say, Gloria knows when she's cooking. My home smells amazing, and I can't wait to start organizing my amazing plate. I have the salsa, sour cream, queso fresco los altos, the crispy tacos, of course, the red rice that you already have on my channel, a little bit of salad, sour cream right on the top, and the salsa. Oh my gosh. And of course, a little bit of queso fresco los altos. And then you are ready to enjoy. You have so many recipes of rice. Just go to my channel, Cooking with Gloria Rice, and you have so many delicious and amazing rice. Well, here, if you like and you got up to this point of the video and you love it, subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, and I'm ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy these amazing crispy tacos. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing, crispy, delicious requesón cheese tacos with shrimp. I added some red rice that you already have on my channel, a little bit of salad, but this is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. This really came out so crispy and delicious. The salsa on the top, oh my gosh, sour cream, cheese, you name it. A perfect and easy recipe that you can make make for this summer. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you didn't, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share, and I will stay enjoying these amazing crispy tacos. See you soon. Bye-bye.